Progress is an irresistible force, shaping our world and driving us forward. Like a river carving its path through stone, progress is relentless. From the invention of the wheel to the digital revolution, humanity's story is one of constant advancement. We are the beneficiaries of countless innovations, each one a testament to the power of human ingenuity. Progress is an unstoppable march, and we are all part of its journey. Continuous improvement is more than just a buzzword. It empowers us to reach our full potential. No matter how good we are, we can always be better. This mindset transcends industries and professions. It is the driving force behind innovation and personal development. Embrace continuous improvement to thrive in a changing world. It is the path to excellence. Continuous improvement is more than just a set of tools or techniques. It is a fundamental shift in perspective, a way of approaching life and work with a constant eye toward growth and evolution. It is the recognition that no matter how successful we are today, there are always ways to be better, to do better, and to achieve more. It is not about striving for an elusive state of perfection, but rather about embracing the journey of progress. It is about acknowledging that we are all works in progress, constantly learning, adapting, and refining our skills, our processes, and ourselves. Continuous improvement is about fostering a culture of learning and innovation, where mistakes are seen as opportunities for growth and feedback is welcomed as a gift. It is about breaking down silos, encouraging collaboration, and empowering individuals at all levels to contribute their ideas and perspectives. It is a philosophy that permeates every aspect of an organization, from the shop floor to the executive suite, from product development to customer service. It is a commitment to excellence that is reflected in everything we do, every interaction we have, and every decision we make. At the heart of continuous improvement lies a growth mindset, a belief in our inherent ability to learn and develop over time. It is the understanding that our talents and abilities are not fixed but rather malleable, capable of expanding and evolving with effort and dedication. Those with a growth mindset embrace challenges, viewing them not as obstacles but as opportunities for learning and growth. They are not afraid of failure, recognizing that setbacks are an inevitable part of the journey. They see feedback as a valuable tool for improvement, actively seeking it out from colleagues, mentors, and even critics. They are constantly striving to expand their knowledge, refine their skills, and step outside of their comfort zones. This mindset is essential not only for individual growth, but also for organizational success. When individuals are empowered to learn, grow, and contribute their best, the entire organization benefits from increased innovation, productivity, and engagement. One of the most powerful aspects of continuous improvement is its emphasis on small, incremental changes. It's not about making sweeping overhauls overnight, but rather about identifying areas for improvement and then taking consistent, deliberate action to address them. Just as a small rudder can steer a large ship over time, so too can small changes have a profound impact on our lives and our work. By focusing on making small, sustainable improvements over time, we create a virtuous cycle of progress. Each small step forward builds momentum, leading to greater confidence, more opportunities for learning, and even more significant improvements down the road. It is the compounding effect of these small wins that ultimately leads to transformative change. This approach is not only more effective than trying to change everything at once, but it is also more sustainable. By making small, manageable changes, we are more likely to stick with them over the long term, turning continuous improvement into a habit that becomes ingrained in our daily lives. The continuous improvement mindset is intrinsically linked to the concept of a growth mindset, a term coined by psychologist Carol Dweck. This mindset is characterized by a belief in one's ability to develop skills and intelligence over time, embracing challenges as opportunities for learning rather than threats to be avoided. Individuals with a growth mindset see failure not as a reflection of their worth, but as a valuable source of feedback, a stepping stone on the path to mastery. They are intrinsically motivated to learn and grow, constantly seeking out new knowledge, perspectives, and experiences. This mindset is essential for continuous improvement because it fuels a desire to evolve, to push beyond perceived limitations and strive for greater heights. It allows individuals to embrace change, adapt to new situations, and find opportunities for growth even in the face of adversity. In a world where the pace of change is only accelerating, the ability to learn and adapt is paramount. Embracing a growth mindset provides the foundation for lifelong learning, ensuring that we are constantly evolving to meet the demands of an ever-changing world. Complacency is the insidious enemy of progress. We settle for the status quo, content with our current level of knowledge and skills. Comfortable in our routines, we resist change and miss opportunities. Past successes create a false sense of security, leading to stagnation. We may think there's no need for further growth. In a constantly evolving world, standing still is moving backward. The consequences of complacency are significant. It leads to unfulfillment and missed opportunities. In professional settings, it stifles innovation and reduces productivity. Combat complacency by recognizing we can always be better. Embrace the pursuit of excellence as an ongoing journey. Cultivating a habit of continuous improvement. Continuous improvement is not a one-time event, but rather an ongoing process, a habit that must be cultivated and nurtured over time. It requires conscious effort, discipline, and a willingness to step outside of our comfort zones. One effective way to cultivate this habit is to incorporate small, incremental improvements into our daily routines. Whether it's dedicating 15 minutes each day to learning a new skill, seeking feedback from a colleague, or identifying one area for improvement in our work, these small actions, when performed consistently, can lead to significant results over time. It's also essential to create an environment that supports continuous improvement. This includes surrounding ourselves with growth-minded individuals, seeking out mentors who can challenge and inspire us, and fostering a culture of feedback and learning within our teams and organizations. By embracing the principles of continuous improvement, we embark on a journey of lifelong learning, growth, and fulfillment. We empower ourselves to reach our full potential, adapt to the ever-changing demands of the world, and leave a lasting legacy on the world around us. The relentless pace of change. We live in a world in constant flux. Technological advancements emerge rapidly, reshaping industries and societal norms. What was cutting edge quickly becomes outdated. This pace of change is both exhilarating and daunting. It demands adaptability and continuous learning. To resist change is to be left behind. The digital revolution has transformed our lives. New industries rise, traditional models are disrupted. Continuous improvement is imperative. It's the only way to stay relevant in a globalized world. The perils of standing still. Standing still is a recipe for obsolescence. Complacency breeds stagnation, leading to regression. Without growth, we can't adapt to new challenges. Adaptability is the key to thriving in a dynamic world. In a world of constant change, adaptability is essential. It means adjusting to new conditions and embracing new ideas. Step outside comfort zones and embrace a growth mindset. Cultivate adaptability to navigate a dynamic world with resilience. Competitors innovate and needs evolve, leaving the stagnant behind. The same applies to individuals. Complacency risks stagnation in careers and personal growth. The slippery slope of complacency. Imagine a world where innovation ceases and progress grinds to a halt. This is the world of stagnation, where complacency becomes the norm. A closer look reveals the steep price we pay for neglecting continuous improvement. Stagnation is a slow decline, eroding our potential and creativity. The danger of complacency lies in its subtle nature. It creeps in slowly, disguised as contentment with past achievements. We become comfortable in our routines, resistant to change. This stagnation can manifest in various aspects of our lives. In our careers, it might mean clinging to outdated skills or resisting new technologies. In our personal lives, it could translate into neglecting our health or relationships. The world continues to evolve, leaving us behind, struggling to catch up. The importance of goal setting and progress tracking. Goals provide direction and a clear target, while progress tracking measures advancement and celebrates wins. Without goals, we risk drifting aimlessly. Set clear, specific and measurable goals to create a roadmap for success. Progress tracking helps monitor advancement and adjust as needed. Regular reviews provide insights, celebrate achievements and maintain momentum. Evaluation and self-reflection. Establish a clear understanding of our current position. Assess our strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and areas of improvement. Shine a light on our blind spots and embrace the truth that there's always room for growth. Self-reflection is a deep dive into our thoughts, beliefs and behaviors. Ask tough questions. What are my core values, strengths, weaknesses? Where do I excel and where do I struggle? What are my goals and am I on track to achieve them? Combine self-reflection with external feedback for a comprehensive understanding. Create a safe space for honest feedback, setting aside egos to learn from others. This foundation sets the stage for continuous improvement driven by self-awareness and learning from others. Adaptability, embracing change as a catalyst for progress. In a world of rapid change, adaptability is essential. Adjusting to new conditions and embracing new ideas is crucial. Adaptability transforms challenges into growth opportunities. Embrace change as an inevitable part of life. Let go of the need for certainty. The only constant is change. Approach new situations with curiosity, not fear. Flexibility allows us to experiment and refine our strategies. Recognize that what worked yesterday might not work today. Constantly seek new and better ways to achieve goals. Anticipate change by staying informed about trends. Turn potential disruptions into opportunities for growth. Stay ahead of the curve by actively shaping change. Action and execution. Action is the bridge that connects thought to reality, transforming insights into tangible results. It is the driving force that propels us forward, turning our aspirations into achievements. Taking action requires courage, a willingness to step outside of our comfort zones, to embrace the possibility of failure, and to move forward even when the path ahead is uncertain. Breaking free from procrastination and taking that first crucial step towards our goals. Approach action with intentionality, aligning our efforts with our goals. Ensuring every step moves us closer to our desired outcomes. The path to success is rarely linear and setbacks are inevitable. View challenges as opportunities for learning and growth, refining our approaches. Self-development and growth. Continuous improvement is impactful in our personal lives. Personal growth is the foundation of success and fulfillment. It's a journey of self-discovery, learning and evolution, encompassing physical health, emotional well-being and intellectual curiosity. Identify areas to grow and take deliberate action. Personal growth is inherently flexible. No set rules, no predetermined paths. Explore interests, experiment and discover hidden talents. This sense of exploration keeps life interesting. Whether it's learning a new language, taking up a musical instrument, or mastering a new skill, the pursuit of personal growth is an investment in ourselves, in our happiness, well-being, and a fulfilling life. Building stronger relationships. Relationships are the threads that weave together the fabric of our lives. They require nurturing, attention, and commitment to thrive. Strong relationships are cultivated through communication, empathy, and effort. Open and honest communication is key. Create a safe space for sharing thoughts and feelings. Practice active listening and empathy. Empathy fosters compassion and deeper connections. Forgiveness is essential for strong relationships. It frees us from past burdens and renews connections. Cultivating mindfulness and self-awareness. True and lasting happiness stems from within. Mindfulness and self-awareness help us understand our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. It's about paying attention to the present moment without judgment, observing our thoughts and feelings without getting swept away by them, developing greater awareness of our inner world. Through mindfulness practices like meditation, yoga, or spending time in nature, we cultivate inner stillness and connect with a deeper sense of peace. In today's rapidly evolving job market, professional stagnation is not an option. The digital revolution, globalization, and automation are reshaping industries demanding new skills. Continuous improvement is an absolute necessity. A university degree no longer guarantees lifetime employment. Knowledge becomes outdated quickly. Professionals must adopt lifelong learning. This pursuit can take many forms. Attend conferences, enroll in courses, seek mentorships, stay abreast of trends and technologies, be proactive in acquiring future skills. This ensures we remain valuable in a competitive job market. Leadership and management. Continuous improvement is a leadership imperative. Organizations that fail to embrace it risk falling behind. Leaders who prioritize it create a workplace where innovation flourishes. Creating this culture starts at the top. Leaders must embody learning, growth, and adaptability. Lead by example, seek opportunities to learn and grow. Foster an environment where feedback is welcomed. Create safe spaces for open communication. Cultivating this culture leads to better business outcomes. The power of innovation. Innovation is the lifeblood of continuous improvement, propelling us into transformative change. It's about challenging the status quo and seeking new ways of doing things. In a fast-changing world, innovation is a necessity for survival and success. It's about finding creative solutions, streamlining processes, and improving efficiency. Fostering a culture where experimentation is encouraged and failure is a stepping stone to success. By embracing innovation, organizations can unlock creative potential, gain a competitive edge, and position themselves as leaders in their industries. Continuous improvement is an ongoing journey, a never-ending ascent. Each peak reveals another, higher and more challenging. This journey requires commitment, resilience, and embracing the unknown. The path can be steep and treacherous, testing our resolve. Continuous improvement is about progress, not perfection. Celebrate small victories and use them as fuel to move forward. Setbacks are opportunities for growth and resilience. The beauty lies in the transformative power of the journey. Embrace the pursuit of excellence as a lifelong endeavor. Embracing continuous improvement sets a ripple effect beyond ourselves. Our growth inspires families, friends, colleagues, and communities. We become catalysts for positive change in the world. Imagine a world where continuous improvement is the norm, a world of boundless innovation and creative solutions. This is the legacy of continuous improvement, a legacy of growth and progress.